Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get referral code on a SportyBet. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com, and from here just simply go for SportyBet referral code. So guys, from here you should be able to see SportyBet over here, and should be able to see here refer your friends. So simply click on this. And after that, guys, just simply log in into your account over here, or just simply register if you don't have an account yet. Now, just simply provide your email and pass and click on login. From here, guys, it will redirect you to this page. So guys, from here, you will have two options. You can go for online sharing over here. So you can just simply copy this over here, this text, or you can go for share a referral code. And from here, you should have here your referral code. And from here, you should be able to get your referral code. And that's simply about it. As you can see, you will have here the instruction as well for this to work. And down below, you should be able to see the term and condition as well when it comes to this referral code and online sharing as well. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.